Friends, it's time for an unboxing video. I have this package here that has a new part for me. First I want to mention that the packaging is really very good. This is just saran wrap. And I'm not sure if you can see here, but maybe it was UPS screwing it up. Well, here is what we got. This is my new tailgate insert. So this is oh, that looks nice. This is from Fair Outfitters. I got this as part of a group buy. And then these cup holders, which are plastic. Slanting in there. And then this one goes over here. Fits like that in the tailgate. You open the tailgate, it goes down like that. Cup holder here, cup holder here. And you can climb up on it and it doesn't hurt your knees. This is aluminum anodized? I don't know. It looks good. So we'll do an installation video. Okay, so here's the old one, which is garbage. Like I said, the distance on this makes this incredibly uncomfortable. If you want to put something on it, well, okay, that's not a good example. But if you want to put like a cup on there, if you want to put anything, it's usually not the right size and it tips over. If you climb up onto it, your knees don't fit in this groove and it hurts very much. So this is bad. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take off the screws. There's one of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And I believe they're all T30 Torx head. So let's go ahead and see if I can do that. So there you go, real time installed, about 3 minutes. And plastic cups, holders. I can sit on this, it doesn't hurt my butt. Get up on here with my knees, that doesn't hurt. I can put things on it, they don't fall over. So there's a couple of the choices, and I was agonizing over this. Is the Mountain something or other? That's the plastic one that's food safe. I don't know why I would want a food safe plastic thing back here. And then Relentless makes one, and it actually wraps all the way over the top. And I like the look of that, but the price was more than I wanted to pay. Actually, the shipping was very high. This was $200 group buy, shipped. So I couldn't go wrong with that. And it looks good. There we go.